Welcome to our comparison of two leading security camera systems, the ANNKE 3K Lite DVR and the REOLINK 4K security camera system. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. The ANNKE 3K Lite DVR offers a budget-friendly solution with versatile compatibility for various camera types, while the REOLINK 4K system provides ultra-high-definition video and advanced features for those seeking top-tier security. Let's explore how these two systems stack up against each other in key areas such as resolution, installation, and smart detection capabilities. When it comes to video quality, the ANNKE 3K Lite DVR offers a resolution of 5 megapixels light, which is decent for basic surveillance needs. However, the REOLINK 4K security camera system takes it a step further with its impressive 4K Ultra HD resolution, providing crystal-clear images that capture more detail. This makes the REOLINK system ideal for users who prioritize high-definition video for their security needs. Installation is another crucial factor to consider. The ANNKE 3K Lite DVR allows for flexible installation as it supports various camera types, making it suitable for users with existing setups. On the other hand, the REOLINK 4K system utilizes Power over Ethernet (PoE) technology, simplifying the installation process by requiring only a single cable for both power and data. This makes the REOLINK system easier to set up, especially for those who may not be tech-savvy. Both systems offer advanced AI features to enhance security. The ANNKE 3K Lite DVR includes AI-powered human and vehicle detection, which helps reduce false alerts. Similarly, the REOLINK 4K system boasts smart person and vehicle detection, ensuring that users are alerted only when necessary. This feature is essential for minimizing unnecessary notifications and ensuring that users can focus on real security threats. In conclusion, both the ANNKE 3K Lite DVR and the REOLINK 4K security camera system have their unique strengths. The ANNKE system is perfect for budget-conscious users looking for flexibility, while the REOLINK system is ideal for those who want high-quality video and ease of installation. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.